Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Huge, fabulous Friday, because I'm giving away a mini free printable. So it's one of my minis. It's called Colorful Pillow Boxes. I was just forgetting the name now. It's 4 pages. Normally you get 1 page every Friday, but because basically we are in Italy when you watch this video, I didn't have any chance to make any video, I'm afraid. So hence why there's no videos this week on my channel, but life happens and sometimes we can't just do anything about it. So to make it up for it, I thought to give you away one of the mini kits, hence why you get 4 pages. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. As you're watching this video, me and Jamie are currently in Italy, having a nice week off with my friends and family, and also on the hunt of a property. So I'm very hoping that by the time you watch this video, we hopefully be able to make an offer to one of the property we would have seen by now. Fingers crossed. Please guys, send me very positive energy, because we need it. We need a pinch of luck, because it's been a journey. For the last year we were looking for our property, and the market in Italy is very fast, and also because we live here in the UK, and every time we've seen some houses on the website, they sell very quick. So we are hoping that hopefully this trip here will be able to do a second viewing from a property that we saw in September, and also view 2 more. Fingers crossed guys, but I will catch up with you next week when I'm back. Also apologize, but this week I didn't make any videos because I ran out of time. Before we left, I was so busy with work and everything went out of time, and I literally guys purely ran out of time, and I didn't have any crafty time at all because I had a lot of things to sort it out before we went. So I apologize, but to make up for it, I thought that today's freebie would be a mini kit. So you will get my Colorful Pillow Boxes kit for free. So this is a mini kit, so it's part of my minis collection. The minis collections are mini kit that is formed of 4 pages. So if you go on my website, and I will put a link down below, you see all the category that is full of small kit that costs £1.50, so super affordable. It's less than a coffee. And it's basically small selection of kit that's 4 pages each. So today, to make up for it, I thought the freebie would be a full kit. So you get 4 pages, and all 4 pages are formed of a pillow box and embellishment. This one here that you see is part of my, it's not part, but it goes really well with the Roman Empire collection, which is a lovely kit that I've done a video last week where you guys seen me playing with this lovely Roman inspired ephemera. There are background, there is envelopes, all sorts. Okay, the second page that you're gonna get for absolutely free is this one. This part of the Imperial Indigo, which is my #1 most sold digital papers. It's the lovely kit with the all blues and butterflies. Everything that you see, I will put a link down below. Okay, the third page is this one here, which is kind of like the pink version of the previous one. This was part of the bubbly butterfly embellishment, and is a gorgeous, this pillow box one is made up, is gorgeous because you got butterflies everywhere, and also butterfly embellishments that you can just simply fussy cut and either decorate the box, or you create your own tags and cards, etc. So that's the second. The third one is, this is part of the cookbook. In case you missed it on the website, you can download a cookbook. So there is a collection of ephemera, background, pockets, tags, also to create your very own vintage cookbook. There are also some recipes I think there is over 100 recipes that you can download. Also, there's vegan, vegetarian, Italian, all different recipes. There's always pockets, blank pages, blank recipe cards that you can write your own, also. So that is part of that sort of collection. And so which one did I not talk about? No, that's it. That's 4. I showed you the number 4. Now, unfortunately, this kit, because it's 4 pages, I can't send it on a newsletter, because the newsletter, the size of the newsletter is very limited, so I can only attach 1. So what am I going to do? I'm going to attach 1 of those, okay, and then the rest can be what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it I put it on the website, so you guys can go straight on my website and download it straight away. So I just put this kit as a 0, so you don't have to pay for it, but you will still need to put this in your basket and like pretend that you're going to buy it, but you're not going to be charged for it. So I'm going to put the price of this as a 0. Okay, so you just need to put it in your basket, carry on with the checkout like you buy something, and of course you won't be paying anything because it's a freebie, but yeah, you will be you'll be able to get it for free. So just a little gesture for me, guys, to say, first of all, thank you for everything that you guys do for me. 2, to say thank you for all your orders. That honestly, I know it's nothing for you guys, but it means the world to me and Jamie. And 3rd, for all the likes, the thumbs up, and all the love, that all the emails that you guys send me. Honestly, it means the world to me, and it makes this journey a very fabulous journey. Okay, so go on my website, follow the link, and then you will have to put this in the basket, complete fake purchase, so complete the fake purchase, but you won't be charged for it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this huge kit. I appreciate if you put some of the pictures, that the pillow boxes that you're going to make, on my Facebook group. It's a very interactive platform, so follow the link, it will take you straight to my Facebook group. Guys, for more videos and inspiration, while you wait for me to return and to give you some some chats and catching up about what we did in Italy, I will put the link on the screen here, guys, to give you some more inspiration. So feel free to click on it and enjoy more of myself and my voice. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.